Hello everyone, welcome to MEP Work channel. In this video, we will know how to customize the AutoCAD Commands and Shortcuts to create your own keyboard shortcuts. Let's start. First, go to the Manage tab and the Customization panel. Go to Edit Aliases. This text file will open AutoCAD.pgb. Scroll down to find the AutoCAD Commands, sample aliases for AutoCAD Commands. This is the command shortcut, and this is the application of it. We will edit the command from here, but be careful so as not to make mistakes. For example, I always change some commands every time I install AutoCAD. I make the letter C to copy instead of circle. So we will write copy, and I will keep CO and CP for copying also. And also I make R for rotating. Search for R. R. I will replace redraw with rotate. Search for rotate, RO, and copy it. And paste it instead of redraw. I will keep RO also as a default. Click close and save and restart AutoCAD. Don't forget to restart. Start AutoCAD. Let's check. For example, draw a line. Try to copy it. The copy command is activated. Also, try to rotate. R for rotating instead of redraw. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.